Hello again. Let's spin our wheel and see who will make next. Which character is your favorite? The wheel is stopping. It landed on the snowman! Let's go! First, we'll trace his outline onto some paper. Let's give him 2 black eyes. 1, 2. Orange. Now let's use our sparkly orange paint to paint his carrot nose. Oh, hi Cupid! I think Cupid likes the carrot nose. 3 black buttons and a fancy hat. Now let's paint his scarf. Oh, it's time for our doors. There are 2 doors. Let's open the door on the right, the red and white one. What's inside? A sparkly Christmas tree! Wow, look at all the decorations. There's so many. Have you seen many Christmas trees? Now let's open the door on the left. What's this? It's a Christmas pudding. It has a sprig of holly on top. Back to our snowman. Let's see what's next. Oops, I think I made a little red smudge down here. That's okay. We can paint over it in white. No big deal. Oh, hello there, Nutcracker. What do you think of our snowman? Isn't he lovely? Let's add some decoration to his scarf. Stars and sparkles. Let's get some glitter paint and add it to those rosy pink cheeks. Silver. Let's use our shimmering silver paint to add in some detail. It's a matching game! Yay! I love these games. Up on top we have a star, and on the bottom it's a nutcracker, not a match. A nutcracker and another nutcracker! It's a match! Up here we have Dancer, that's my favorite reindeer. And a star, not a match. Dancer. And Dancer! It's a match! The last 2 cards are a match. 2 gold stars. What was that just flew past the full moon? Now back to our snowman. Oh, he looks wonderful. Let's cut him out. Wow, he looks so fun and jolly. I love his fancy hat and his scarf that has gold stars on it. He looks like he's ready to play. Have you ever built a snowman? It's Sid's mystery bag. Let's see if we can find something nice for our snowman. A hairdryer. Uh-oh, I think the heat will make him melt. Let's try something else. Ooh, a bubble bath. I think he's already clean. He doesn't need a bath right now. Let's see if there's something else we can give the snowman. Some mittens. It's a pair of mittens. Oh, I think he likes these. Let's put them on. Perfect. Now he has a hat, a scarf, and some mittens. Thanks, Sid. Our snowman is all finished. He looks jolly and playful. I love his rosy cheeks. Snowman. The snowman joins his friends on the wheel. Who will we create next? Let's follow Sid and see.